Good morning, good day, good evening to all listeners of the YieldMaxMindset YouTube channel. Bringing to you Group A from YieldMax. Some of these will pay on Friday, most of these will pay on Friday, and some will pay on Thursday. All right, let's get to it. These prices vary each month. If you should happen to own some of the above ETF, here's a roundabout payout you should receive. Below is what you would get paid out for owning the number of shares multiplied by the price per share. First, we have YBIT. Closed yesterday at 1071, previously closed at 1072, previously paid out 38 cents, currently paying out 54 cents. I happen to own 62 shares, so I will be getting $33.62. If you own 5,000 shares, that would be $2,712 you will receive. Next, we have Feet. Closed yesterday at 34.97, previously closed at 36.85. Previously paid out $1.45. Currently paying out $1.36. 50 shares will get you $67.92. 2,000 shares will get you $2,716.80. Next, we have FIVE. Closed yesterday at 38.44. Previously closed at 39.90. Previously paid out $1.03. Currently paying out $1.20. If you own 1,000 shares, that would be $1,197.50. 5,000 shares will get you $5,987.50. Next, we'll have one of the new ones that paid out last month, I believe. Yes, July the 10th. So BRKC closed yesterday at 47.53. Previously closed at 49.31. Previously paid 50 cents, currently paying 61 cents. So 100 shares will be $61.17. 2,000 shares will be $1,223.40. Next, we'll have Tesla. Tesla closed yesterday at 7.68, previously closed at 7.76, and previously paid out 39 cents. Currently paying out 30 cents. 50 shares, if you own that, will get you $15.03. I happen to have 180 shares, therefore I will be receiving $54.09. And if you own 1,000 shares, it'll be 350 cents you shall receive. Next, we have SNOY. Closed yesterday at 1571. Previously closed at closed yesterday at 1571 and previously closed at 1722. All right. Previously paid out 47 cents, currently paying out 46 cents. So if you own 1,000 shares, it'd be $455.10, and 10,000 shares will get you $4,551. Next, we have OARC. Closed yesterday at 8.79, previously closed at 8.92. Previously paid out 34 cents, currently paying out 38 cents. So 1,000 shares will get you $376.10, and 5,000 shares will get you $1,880.50. Next, we have XOMO. Closed yesterday at 11.98. Previously closed at 13.02. Previously paid out 37 cents and currently paying out 23 cents. 100 shares will yield you $22.85. 2,000 shares will get you $457. All right, next we have TSMY. Closed yesterday at $16.22. Previously closed at $16.56. Previously paid out 64 cents. Currently paying out 93 cents. So, if you own 500 shares, it'd be $466.75. 10,000 shares will get you $9,335. Next, we have GUI. Closed yesterday at 13.05. Previously closed at 12.05. Previously paid out 31 cents, currently paying out 45 cents. All right, so if you own 1,000 shares, that'd be $449.10, and 5,000 shares will get you $2,245.50. Next, we have CRSH. Closed yesterday at $4.57. Previously closed at $4.95. Previously paid out 22 cents. All right. So if you own 50 shares, that'd be if you own 50 shares, that'd be $9.75. And 2,000 shares will get you $389.80. Next, we have the Big 12, Big Target 12 ETF. We have Biggie. Closed yesterday at $50.29. Previously closed at $49.71, and previously paid out 50 cents. Currently paying out 51 cents. All right. So if you own 1,000 shares, that'd be $504.80. And if you own 5,000 shares, that'd be $2,524. Next, we have the Target 12. We have RNTY. Closed yesterday at 51.04. Previously closed at 52.15. Previously paid out 52 cents. And currently paying out 51 cents. So if you own 50 shares of this, that'd be $25.33. And if you own 2,000 shares, that'd be $1,013.20. Next of the Target 12, we have Soxy. Closed yesterday at 52.06. Previously closed at 52.12. Previously paid out 53 cents. Currently paying out, guess what? 53 cents. So if you own 500 shares, that'd be $262.40. And 10,000 shares will get you $5,248. All right, next we have YieldMax Weekly ETF. Leading the charge is YieldMax. Closed yesterday at 13.27. Previously closed at 13.70. Previously paid 17 cents and currently paying out 15 cents. All right, so if you own 50 shares like I do, we both will receive $7.25. And if you own 2,000 shares, it would be $290.60. All right, next we have YMAG. YMAG closed yesterday at 15.27. Previously closed at 15.16 and previously paid 8 cents. Currently paying another 8 cents. All right. So if you own 100 shares, that'd be $7.79. And 2,000 shares will get you $159.60. Next, we have LFGY. Closed yesterday at 36.09. Previously closed at 39.96 and previously paid out 47 cents. Currently paying out 44 cents. All right. 500 shares will get you $218.30. And 10,000 shares will get you $4,366. Next, we'll have GPTY. Closed yesterday at 46.28. Previously closed at 47.14. And is currently paying out 30 cents. Previously paid out 32 cents. All right. So 10,000 shares will get you $3,039. And 2,000 shares will get you $607.80. Not sure if I said this one or not. GPTY closed yesterday at 46.28. Previously closed at 47.14. Previously paid out 32 cents. Currently paying out 30 cents. So 50 shares will get you $15.20. 2,000 shares will get you $607.80. Next, we got SDTY. Closed yesterday at 45.03. Previously closed at 45 even. Previously paid out 15 cents. Currently paying out 20 cents. All right, so if you own 100 shares of this, that'd be $20.44. 5,000 shares will get you $1,222. Next, we got RDTY. Closed yesterday at 44.77. Previously closed at 46.30. Previously paid out 35 cents. Currently paying out 24 cents. All right, so if you got 1,000 shares of this, that would be $243.80. 5,000 shares will get you $1,219. Next, we got QDTY. Closed yesterday at 44.42. Previously closed at 44.45. 44.15, excuse me. And previously paid out 17 cents. Currently paying out 27 cents. So 500 shares will get you $135.95, and 50 shares will get you $13.60. Next, we have the cream of the crop, OT. Closed yesterday at $6.11. Previously closed at $6.23. Previously paid out 10 cents. Currently paying out 10 cents. So 100 shares will get you $10.03. I have 1,518 shares. Therefore, I will receive $152.26. And if you own 5,000 shares, that would be $501.50. All right, next we got CHPY. Closed yesterday at 53.25. Previously closed at 55.12. Previously paid out 42 cents. Currently paying out 39 cents. So if you own 50 shares, that'd be $19.47. 5,000 shares will get you $194.65. Next, we got RoundHill Weekly ETF, XDTE. Closed yesterday at 43.72. Previously closed at 44.05. Previously paid out 25 cents. Currently paying out 26 cents. So 50 shares will get you $12.83. 1,000 shares will get you $256.62. Next we have QDTE. Closed yesterday at 35.03. Previously closed at 35.24. Previously paid out 24 cents, currently paying out 24 cents. So if you own 500 shares, it'll be $119.37, and 1,000 shares will get you $238.73. Next, we have RDTE. Closed yesterday at 33.44. Previously closed at 34.33. See how those numbers right the opposite? Just a coincidence, ain't it? All right. Previously paid out 29 cents, currently paying out 26 cents. 50 shares will get you $13.12, and 100 shares will get you $26.23. Next, we have YBTC. Closed yesterday at 47.07 and previously closed at 47.98. Previously paid out 44 cents, currently paying out 51 cents. I happen to own 1.0325 shares, so therefore I will receive 52 cents. And if you own 1,000 shares, it'd be $506.47. Next, we have Yeet. Closed yesterday at 26.13. Previously closed at 27.78. Previously paid out 29 cents. Currently paying out 24 cents. I happen to have 10 shares. That'd be $2.39 I will receive. And if you have 2,000 shares, that'd be $477.36. XPay closed yesterday at 26.13. Previously closed at 27.78. Previously paid out 29 cents. Currently paying out a nice whopping 95 cents. Okay, so if you have 10 shares like I do, that'll be $9.53. And if you have 2,000 shares, that'll be $1,905.69. Next, we have Kurv, TSLP. Closed yesterday at 19.46. Previously closed at 29.03. I wonder if there's a discrepancy there, if I got that right. Previously paying out 45 cents, currently paying out 45 cents. So 500 shares will get you $225, and 1,000 shares will get you $450. Pays out Thursday. I got the wrong date there. I just saw that. Same thing there. Wrong date. Wrong date should be the 7th instead of the 8th for Thursday. All right. Next, we have a new ETF by Kurv, KGLD. I believe it's gold. I could be mistaken. It pays out Thursday too instead of the 8th on Friday. It's showing that it previously closed at 1940. I mean, closed yesterday at 1946 and previously closed at 2903. All right. Previously paid out 45 cents, currently paying out 25 cents. This maybe goes first time paying out. I believe this when I copied this, it may have been from the previous one, like Tesla or something. So that may not be accurate, people. Rather go to stock analysis and look it up. It could be right, but I don't think that price change and the dividend pay is too big. All right. So everyone, thank you for stopping by and viewing this content on YieldMax Mindset YouTube channel. I want to thank each and every one for browsing, viewing, and stopping by. Continue to build your position, do your own due diligence, and selecting these ETF. All of this is no or not financial advice. All right, I'm out. You all have a blessed week.